అలానే విద్యార్థులకు నా అభినందనలు. ఈరోజు యూకేజీ నుంచి కంప్లీట్ చేసుకొని ఫస్ట్ క్లాస్కి వెళ్తున్న చిన్నారులందరూ కూడా వెల్కమ్, శుభాకాంక్షలు తెలియజేస్తాను.
Congratulate all my dear little stars. You are promoted to first class. So ఈ రోజుతో మీ యూకేజీ కంప్లీట్ అయిపోయింది. ఫస్ట్ క్లాస్ కి ప్రమోట్ అవుతున్నారు అందరు స్టూడెంట్స్. కంగ్రాచులేషన్స్
all of you. Congratulations for stepping into first class by completing your kindergarten. I wish you all the best. Do well, speak well. All of you speak English at home also. Practice English speaking with a little more.
To our teachers, moms, dads, grandparents, and all. Thank you, thank you, thank you, everyone. Thank you for all you've done. Thank you, thank you, thank you, everyone. Thank you for all you've done. You taught us to read and write. You taught. Two little words, two little words, two little words, not goodbye. It's the end of the year, graduation is here. Our two little words to our teachers, moms, dads, grandparents, and all. Thank you, thank you.
to the parents who have come here to support your child and their great success. I'm happy to welcome our guests and guests of our honor who has come to congratulate these graduates.
Thank you.